So this was my first night sleeping in my car, and when I went to sleep, you can see that RV over there, that was here, and probably that little white RV right there was there, that was there, that tent right there was there, and I think there was another car over here somewhere. And now look at this. When I wake up this morning, it looks like they're having a big biking event. So luckily nobody's boxed me in. Let me show you what I have set up in here. I slept right here. I have a yoga pad from the house here, and then I have this Coleman blow-up pad. I'll show you from the back end a little bit more. And then there's this sleeping bag here. It was really nice last night. It was windy and cloud cover, so it stayed really pretty warm. And this piece right here ended up working out really good for me, this cross piece, because I have some stuff up there. That's actually my cooking gear, stove and stuff, and I'll use that a little later today. But it was just nice to have a place to set stuff. I had my glasses and my light and stuff. There's my backpack kind of unopened and stuff. And then I came out here just really fast. It was actually dark by the time I got here. But I just relaxed out here, took a chair out and sat down. I put this brown curtain across here on the front, and I just need to get my cardboards made for my windows. I put this in the back window. This is for the front. You can see I have my clothes. This is how I was able to sleep. And there's my food and stuff. So worked out really good. I need to kind of get everything organized and cleaned up. Like I said, I had to leave late last night. I had to work late, so I made it work. But